Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create transparent text in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to create transparent text. Firstly, create a text box. Click Draw Text Box option and draw a text box. Then write anything on this text box. Now I write any text. Then select this text, click and drag on our mouse and increase the font size. Then applying the bold effect. Now we want to make this text transparent, select this text again, then go to the text fill effect option and we can see here open the format shape option, then increase the transparency, then click OK. Now we can see we create text transparent very easily. Now we want to make sure this text transparent. Go to the second page and we copy our image and paste in back this text. Go to the picture format menu and click send to back. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.